Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make Shimla Mirch Murgh from scratch. Think of a Jalfrezi, Madras and Dhansak flavour combination dish cooked in a spicy sauce consisting of green peppers, onions, garlic, spices and coriander to create a fantastic curry, a semi-dry condensed dish with a touch of sourness and added green chilli. As always, the full recipe for this dish is in the description below. Before I begin, please consider subscribing, hit that like button and the notification bell. Thanks. To begin, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil on low to medium heat. Once hot, add half a medium chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek leaves and 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and fry for a few minutes to soften, stirring frequently. Once the onions have begun to soften and caramelise, add in half a diced green pepper, 2 sliced green finger chillies and 3 cloves of coarsely grated garlic. Stir through, frying for a few minutes. When ready, add 2 teaspoons of mixed powder, 1 teaspoon of hot chili powder and Chilli Masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, cumin powder and turmeric powder, and a little water, and fry for a couple more minutes. Add a little hot water if things look dry at any time and stir well. Tip in 2½ tablespoons of tomato puree mixed with around 5 tablespoons of water, 1/4 teaspoon of mint sauce and 1 teaspoon of sugar, and stir through. Turn up to heat to medium-high and add around 125 millilitres of hot water. Stir through and allow to reduce for a couple of minutes before adding another 125 millilitres. If using raw meat, it's time to add it now and coat in the sauce. Today I'm using raw king prawns and I'll add them in the last couple of minutes so they don't overcook. Stir through and cook until reduced by half. Now sprinkle over a 1/4 cup of fresh coriander and a 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, stirring in well. Finally, in with the king prawns. Stir gently to coat, then reduce to your desired consistency and until the oil begins to separate, stirring only if the dish looks like it's about to burn. Please remember to subscribe, comment and hit the like button, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.